and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English. My name is Minahil and I am your English teacher, and in this video you will learn how can you describe yourself. In this video we will talk about how can you describe yourself in a good way. When we go for interview or somewhere else, they ask a very major question: describe yourself, or introduce yourself, or talk about yourself. So we become confused and cannot tell in a good way. Dear students, don't worry if you don't have any idea about this topic, because this video will give you an idea how can you describe yourself in a good way, and I'll tell you some major points that will help you to get an idea, and after watching this video it will be very easy for you to talk about yourself. So watch this video till the end to learn some English, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get latest videos. In this section, I am going to talk about some major points like what kind of things you should speak. First of all, you can tell your name and age. For example, my name is Minahil and I am 22 years old. So you can tell your name and age as well. Then you can talk about your qualification and the institution where you have studied. For instance, I've done BS English from GC Women University, Lahore. So you can also talk like this. Afterwards, you can talk about your appearance. For example, you can talk about your hair, your eyes color, face shape, or you can also tell if you are tall or smart or slim, whatever. So you can talk about these things too. Let me give you an example. I have long, straight, black hair and blue eyes. I'm tall and slim. So you can also mention the things about yourself. Furthermore, if you are a student or a working person, so you can add these things too. Let's suppose you are a student, so you can talk like this. Well, I am a student and I am studying in 7th semester. Then you can talk about your major subject. For example, if your major is English, so you can say that my major is English. And if your major is mathematics, so you can say that my major is mathematics. Then you can tell the reason why you have chosen this subject. So you can say that my major is mathematics because it's a conceptual subject and you don't need to cram the material. So that is the reason it's my favorite subject. Or if you are a working person, so you are doing a job, so you can say like this: I am working as a teacher and I chose this profession because it's a noble profession and I love to teach students. So this is the way you can tell your profession, and you can tell the reason why you have chosen this profession. So you can talk like this. Moreover, you can describe your working style by using these words. Well, I have chosen passionate and diligent. So you can choose these words according to your choice. These are very useful vocabulary words and you should add these words to your dictionary. Here are the words: focused, eager, hardworking, diligent, engaged, persuasive, skillful, and proactive. So you can describe like this: I am diligent and passionate regarding my job. Then you can talk about your personality and you can use below mentioned words. For example, creative, energetic, enthusiastic, curious, courageous, adventurous, driven, optimistic, and perceptive. So, for example, I have chosen the words optimistic and energetic. So, I can say that I am an optimistic and energetic person. So, you can use above mentioned words in this way and you can make your speaking more attractive. You can include your hobbies too to describe yourself. Like, what do you do in your spare time and how do you spend your free time. So you can say that I love dancing, reading books, and playing Ludo with my siblings and friends. So in this way, you can tell your hobbies or your interest. Also tell your behavior or your attitude towards others, like with your friends and colleagues. So you can use these words: helpful, respectful, empathetic, sincere, tolerant. For example, I am empathetic and sincere towards my friends and colleagues. Now you can collect all the sentences that I spoke in my previous video and can make a complete answer about myself. Now I am going to describe a complete sample answer about myself. Well, my name is Minahil and I am 22 years old. I have done BS English from GC University. I have long, straight, black hair and blue eyes. I am tall and slim. I am working as a teacher and I chose this profession because it's a noble profession and I love to teach students. I am diligent and passionate regarding my job. Furthermore, I am an optimistic and energetic person. I keep myself busy in my job and in the things that I like to do, such as reading books and playing Ludo with friends and siblings. Moreover, I have several supportive and helpful friends. I am empathetic and sincere towards my friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching my video and stay connected to get more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.